To save money, every member of the family has to make sacrifices. Many times start paying for things in cash because kids will not understand the value of transactions with credit card. So pay in shops in cash. Let them see how much you are spending. Sometimes instead of buying new clothes at the mall, shop at thrift store with your kids. When economy is melting, this is the best time to start teaching your children about money. Today's teens are struggling with spending limits because of parents' past mistakes. Start with giving them small tasks of income, expense calculation and budgeting. Teach your kids to value money. Explain your children that you can't give them allowance simply because they are part of family. No, money has to be earned. At around 8 to 10 years of age, kids can clean up their rooms, organize bed and part of your home. Based on the federal minimum wage of $7.25 per hour, it will take about 4 hours of work to earn the $30. This is a good level to start a child's wage. They can use this money to buy games, etc., but with parents' permission and supervision. Now, if kids do that job efficiently, you praise them and reward them with a pay raise. If they do not those jobs efficiently, punish them with decrease in their allowance. So that the kids understand good work means good pay, equal job promotion. Bad work means getting fired, and when they learn that at the age of 10, they will learn respecting to work hard and earn money honestly. Teach your kids to prioritize. Kids may want everything. Teach them to sit down and make a list of what they want the most. Help them prioritize. What do you need versus what you want? And out of all the things you want, what's the most important thing that you want? Teach about value of credit score and use of credit cards. If kids are in high school, then start teaching about money, mortgage, investments, wise use of credit cards. With example, teach them the benefits of excellent credit score and disadvantages of bankruptcy. Teach them why it is important to pay credit bills in full every time. Teach them to keep extra money and to spend in sparingly. Promote them not to spend more than half of credit limit. It is very important for kids to learn to have money but not spending it, as this is the biggest problem of ours, to spend everything when we have and then struggle to pay back. Teach kids to be normal, to live naturally and be responsible citizen. Teach them why unnatural way of living may not be sin but wrong for them and for society. It's very simple to hear everyday discussions about freedom to live unnaturally. Remember, your kids are exposed to all these debates in different media at very early age. You have to make them immune to these kind of bad exposures. Now I will show you how somebody who was admitted several times in psychiatric ward for severe manic psychological disorders can really get out of the antidepressant medications with natural means and improved her academic scores to live normal, healthy life.
I live in Jamaica, Queens, in New York. The health problem I had, it was before I couldn't sleep. I couldn't concentrate, focus on my schoolwork or whatever I was doing. I couldn't sleep well. I just felt like tired and not to do anything before. And I took Zoloft before coming here. But now I feel working really good. I actually sleep better. I focus more. I'm more I think I'm more sociable. I talk more. Before I never used to like talk as much, but now I talk, engage in conversations and stuff more. 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s.
And now what grade you are getting?
Right now I get like 90s, 95.
So do you think this special dietary supplement, they increase your memory power,
Yes, yes.
concentration, and
Yes,
you are better in your studies?
Yes.
You can perform well?
Yes, I think so. Yes, I feel it's working more. I feel compared to the other treatment I used to get before, it never used to work as much. But now I feel good. I feel better. I feel it was working.